This is going to be the #1 Propstream tutorial. Now, what is Propstream? Propstream is the all-in-one, #1 wholesaling real estate tool and software to use to be successful in wholesaling real estate. Now, I'm going to go into my office and jump on the computer and give you a screen share, break down a full live demo of Propstream so you know exactly how to use it. But I wanted to point out the key components of what's in it that really makes it an all-in-one wholesaling tool and the best one you need. So, #1 is property data. #2 is motivated seller data plus skip tracing. #3 is marketing. #4, cash buyers. All right, so let's break it down. Property data, what do I mean by that? I don't mean like data where, you're gonna cold call the list. What I mean is, you need this in order to figure out what the properties are worth, in order to comp them, in order to analyze them, in order to know the title details, what's the bed bath count, square footage, who owns it, what did they buy it for, when did they buy it, right? The year built. But then you also need the comps. So what are comps? Comps are every property similar to the subject property that you're making an offer on, right? The one you're trying to get from the motivated seller. The comps are every property in the area that are similar in square footage, similar in bed bath count, year built, etc. What are they selling for in the area? So it's going to show you the active comps, the pending, and the sold comps. So what does that mean? It's going to show you what are properties in the area that are actively for sale. How much are they asking for them? Properties that were active but are under contract, they're about to sell, they're pending. How much are they pending for? And then sold, what did properties sell for in the area? So this way you can figure out what the property is worth and then from there calculate your offer. So you're gonna get all that property data plus the comps so you can figure out the value. Then we have motivated seller data and skip tracing. Most people don't know this, but Propstream about 6 months ago started giving you skip tracing included. So with their higher plans, like they start at $97 a month. If you go through my link, which is trial.propstreampro.com/JV, I'll put a link down below for it as well. You get it at a discount and you get a free trial. The starter plan is $97 a month. Then it goes to $199 a month. From there, skip tracing is included. So what does that mean? Normally, you would have to pull the data, the addresses, and then pay 10 cents a record for the skip tracing. Well, now with the $199 plan, you get 50,000 records a month skip traced. The address and the phone number already of the motivated seller. Now, what's great about Propstream's motivated seller data is the filters. And I'm going to show you all this, but you can filter for anything. You can filter for how long has the seller owned the home for? How much equity do they have? Is this a property they live in? Is it vacant? Are they an absentee owner? Did they go through a divorce? Is it probate? Is it death? Divorce, right? All these motivated factors. You can filter for all this in order to get the most motivated list. And when I get on the computer, I'm going to show you my favorite 2 lists to pull from Propstream. Then we have marketing. So they will let you send out postcards, emails, etc. So you can start doing your marketing as well in Propstream in order to reach these motivated sellers. And then when you need to sell your deals, you need to find cash buyers. Well, simply you can go in, put any zip code in or the address of the property you're trying to sell, and then go boom, filter for cash buyers, and it's going to show you a list of people that have bought properties for cash in the area. So you can go call those up and try to sell them your deal. So guys, these are the core components. Remember I said it was an all-around tool for wholesaling real estate. Well, wholesaling real estate, property acquisition, boom, marketing, dispositions, boom, it's all there. So let's jump in the office, let's get on the computer, and let me break it down for you. Okay, so if you want to sign up for Propstream, I want you to go to trial.propstreampro.com/JB. That's where you're going to get a free trial and a discount. So the link will be below. Make sure you go through my link, sign up through that, okay? Boom. Now, what is the pricing of Propstream? I want you to know that, right? $99, you get to be able to pull records. Not sure if the skip tracing is included. It's not. You get 25,000 records though, but then you'd have to pay for the skip tracing. So boom, the $199 plan is super valuable because boom, it includes 50,000 records a month, boom, with free skip tracing. So that's over $6,000 of skip tracing a month. We get marketing, we can do emails, we can do postcards, we can track everything, right? So it's all in there, guys. It's huge. It's a game changer. So that's the pricing so you know it, but let me log in and let's break it down. So now that I'm logged into Propstream, this is what it looks like. You get the map popped up of your area. Now I can go in here and I can type in any area. So I'm in Maricopa County, Arizona. So if I go Maricopa County, Arizona, boom, all the property data in Maricopa County, Arizona is going to pop up. It shows us there's 1.7 million properties in here, okay? Now I can go in Maricopa County, right? Now I can go into any one of these properties and boom, we're going to have to blur some of this information, but basically it's going to give me owner name, who's on title, right? It's going to give me bed bath count, square footage. It's going to give me the year built. It's going to give me the length of ownership, right? All the information about the property, the APN number, the county information, the tax information. It's all here, right? Then I can go to MLS details. If the property was ever listed on the market before, the full MLS report's going to be right here. What was it listed for? How long was it listed for? How long did it take to sell? What is the description of it that the past realtor that listed the property put in for it? Then when I go to the comps and comparables, boom, it's going to give me every property in the area that has sold in the past 12 months that is similar in square footage, lot size, year built, right? And I can change all these filters to dial it in. I can also go ahead, I'm looking at solds right now. I can go to actives and pendings, boom, and I can see what's actively available for sale and what's pending. Then I can go to linked properties. If the homeowner owns more than one property, it's going to show us their linked properties. So whenever I see that and I'm talking to a seller, I go, hey, I see you own 123 Main Street as well. Would you consider a cash offer for that one? Just by Propstream showing you the linked properties, guys, it's going to help you get more deals, right? You never know. You could buy multiple properties from one seller. It's going to give you the estimated value. It's going to give you, they're coming out with a thing where it's going to give you the estimated wholesale price. Boom. It's right there, actually. This is the estimated wholesale price, what you could sell it to a cash buyer for. They're also going to give you the average days on market. Soon, they're coming out with something, it's going to be out in like a week, where they're going to calculate the offer to make the seller for you. So that way you don't have to figure anything out. You can just make them an offer. Boom, you get the mortgage and transaction history. What did the seller buy it for? What's their mortgage? And when did they get the loan? All of this is in there, guys. Any documents on the property, the deeds, etc., right? You have access to all of this, okay? So there we go. We see it has all the property data. It has all the comps. Now, when we want to go pull a motivated seller list, let's say in Maricopa County, I want to go pull a list. I simply pull up Maricopa County. There's 1.8 million properties. I now need to start filtering it down. So I'm going to click filter. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to pull my two favorite lists right now. So what I'm going to do is we can go through all these sections. They have quick lists where they've already built them out for you that you can click on any one. So if I want flippers or cash buyers to reach out to, boom, boom, just click those and I got it, right? Pre-probate, senior owners, high equity, etc. But I like to go filter for it for myself. So we're going to go in, we're going to do property classifications. We want to do residential properties. We want to do single family. It's the easiest to do deals with houses. And you can see on the right-hand side, it's already filtering down. We're at 1.2 million now. Okay, we're going to leave all this blank. We're going to scroll down to MLS. We want properties that are off market. We want to be doing off market deals. We don't want to be talking to sellers that are already dealing with a realtor that already have it listed. So off market, we're going to scroll down and we're going to do owner information. For this list, I'm going to do any, but we want to do years of ownership, 15 years plus. Okay? And then we want to just go down to value and equity, and we want to do estimated equity minimum 20%. So what this is a list of homeowners that have owned their property for 15 years or more. What makes this list a really good list? Well, the data shows that when people have owned their home for 10 years or more, they become 70% more likely to sell the property. And then also, they're a high equity homeowner. They've owned it for 15 years. While the property has appreciated in value, they've paid down the mortgage, meaning it's worth more than what they owe on it, meaning they're a high equity homeowner, which means there's room for a profit, and we need to be working with sellers like that. So boom, 288,000 property records right there that I can boom, export and skip trace, right? Let me go show you my second favorite list. So we'll start back at the top. Residential, single family. We scroll down, off market. Now we want to do owner occupied, no. So they're an absentee owner. They own the property, but they don't live in it. It could be vacant, it could be occupied, but they own it, they don't live in it. We're going to do 7 years plus ownership. They've owned it for 7 years or more. We're going to do individual. We want people that own their property in their name, not in an LLC, because they're probably less sophisticated. Okay? Then we want to scroll down and do estimated equity 20%. So boom, right here, I have my list of 54,000 absentee owners that have owned their property for 7 years or more, individual owners with 20% equity or more, and off market. I can simply click this, click actions, click save the list, and click skip trace the list. Boom. Those properties will show up saved here, and then once they're done skip tracing, that list will be here in contacts, okay? Where I can export the list, boom, and then go market to it. So that is key, guys. I just showed you how to look at all the property data information. I showed you how to comp the properties using it. I showed you how to pull motivated seller lists, and I showed you 2 of my favorite motivated seller lists to pull. Now, when it comes to marketing, you can go ahead and create a new marketing campaign. You can target any one of your lists, and then it's going to let you create a little website, right? It's going to let you send email blasts or do postcards, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. That pretty much shows you everything you need to know about Propstream in order to get started and in order to start crushing wholesaling real estate with this. So again, guys, if you want to sign up to Propstream, go to trial.propstreampro.com/JB and sign up through my link. You're going to get benefits. I'm going to get benefits. And you're going to be part of my exclusive network in Propstream. I'll be able to help you. Their team will help you out more. They'll be looking out for you. I've been working with Propstream for over 7 years now. They've completely changed the game for me and helped me crush it in wholesaling real estate. It is the #1 all-in-one tool for wholesaling real estate out there. You definitely need to sign up for it. I hope this tutorial of how to use Propstream was helpful to you guys. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the red button and subscribe. And other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.